everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this Kroger mini mega event participating items list. There are tons of items on this. I mean, yeah, it's actually a really good mega event. Now, it's just in the HBA and household sections, so it is a lot smaller than the usual mega, but there are some really great deals a part of this. Now, if you're looking for coupon matchups, this is not it. The coupon matchups are going to be in a separate video. So if you want to see that, click the little line in the top right corner, and you'll see a video about all the best Kroger deals this week. And there's also another video I did about a deal going on at Kroger with the 5x Digitals event. There's a lot of different sales going on at Kroger that you should totally check out both of those videos about. Because originally I thought, it's not going to be the best week ever. And it is a slower week, but there are some really great deals. Also keep in mind, this is a 9-day promotion. It will run until, go through Thanksgiving, and a new sale will start on Black Friday. So don't come back next Wednesday for a new Kroger video. Come back on Friday for a new Kroger video. So I hope that makes sense. So yeah, let's just dive right into this mini mega event participating items video.